So my auntie gave me this wig to repair for her. I cut it off camera. I tint it. I sprayed this brown tinting spray off camera. That's when I remember that, oh, I was supposed to tell some people how to do this, because this is like a simple tip to use. This is lace tinting spray, medium brown, for all skin type. So I tint it, or if you can't buy if you can't see this, you can use the color of your pancake, your brown powder, to apply on the net, because this net was white, kind of brown, white brown kind of before. You can just use your brown powder or your foundation. So it already has this band. Most of your wig, even your old wigs, have this band, is pulling you. Like when you wear it, some people will use hair tie to support their wig. So after watching this video, you're going to stop doing that. So this band is already there. Look, if you have this wig or any kind of wig, you can use the same trick I'm showing you. I can't see what I'm doing because I'm using my back camera. Yeah, so this is how it is. I can't see what I'm doing. So because of the weight of this, it's going to keep pulling back. Like some people I see will just use this band to put it here. You know, people don't like gum because of their edges are getting bad. Like me, I have bad edges, so I don't want to even spoil it with gum. So I don't use gum at all. So the trick I'm going to be showing you is this elastic tape. This used to be big. I bought it the whole, like, it used to be this size. So I've been using it. I think I bought it how much, so if I can't remember. So you might want to use your tape. I'm not in my tape here. Or you use your hand just to measure, like from your ear to your ear, because that's what we are using. Abigail, you want to be in my video, from your ear to ear. And you don't want it to be too tight, because when your wig is too tight, it's going to cause you headache. So from ear to ear. The adjustable tape is the best, but I don't have it. I don't know where to get it. Yeah, so this is what I got. So this is what I got. So this is the back, this is the front. So we're going to be putting this here and here. Remember, we don't want it, it's still even going to be too loose. Let me just cut it. Don't want it too tight. If it's too tight, to give you headache. So we're going to be sewing it. Look at this line here. You sew it here, and the next side you sew it the same place here. What I'm showing you, you see this elastic here already. You're going to sew it here. So this is my needle and thread. Sew it in a way that if you want to lose it tomorrow, because there's 100% chances I will lose this if once I get the adjustable tape. Because you're sewing it on the net. Look, this this one I'm doing. You tell us in the house. I don't know how you sew your stuff, but this is how I'm achieving my goal of sewing this, to make it not to tear and to make it firm. Careful not to sew your tape with your needle. See, I'm done. Let me put it on so you see the difference. Are you seeing? Are you seeing the difference? Even with the weight, look, it's no longer pulling. Like if you are the anti-gum person, you can just use this method. You use your gel, because these days I don't understand the kind of edge control they make. I don't just get when you put on edge control the next minute everything is white. So you can get your black gel, your white gel, and just style it. When you style it, you put your band, and for maybe a few minutes while you're running around and getting ready, and when you're about to leave the house, you put it out and everything is set. See you in my next video. If you like this video, please, you know what to do, guys, so that I can be making more, because when I get more of your comments and other stuff, to ginger me to do more videos. So bye. I like this hair. It's not mine. Hey, it's not mine. Okay, I should show you the back. Look at the back. So look at the back. There's this is not mine, but I have a wig. Baby is crying. See you guys. Bye.